Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, CHefqe. It's Cookmas Day 8 and we are making a quick and easy and delicious Christmas punch. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's whip it up. Alright guys, so for this super quick and easy recipe, I'll be using ginger ale. You can also use Sprite, cranberry juice, pineapple orange juice, and for garnish or to make it look good, we'll be using some fresh cranberries, fresh rosemary sprigs, and of course you can't taste it, and we'll be using some orange and lemon slices. To my beverage dispenser, I'm going to go in with a whole bottle of cranberry juice. Next, I'm going to go in with the pineapple orange juice. Now, these came in a 6-pack, right? Originally, I was going to use 2, but I realized how big my beverage dispenser was, so I was like, I'm just going to add in all 6 cans. Now I'm going to add in the ginger ale. I used about half of the bottle. I'm going to give it a stir and a taste test. Then I'm going to slice up my orange and lemon. Alright, we're going to finish up by adding in our cranberries, our orange and lemon slices, and then our rosemary. Alright guys, that's it. We are done. I'm going to pop my lid on and let's go ahead and pour us a glass. Alright guys, here's our finished product. Now of course, if you want to make this punch with a twist, you can certainly leave out the ginger ale and add in some good liquor, okay? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. We are 99 subbies away from 4,000 subscribers, so let's make it happen. Comment down below what you think of this recipe. Follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in tomorrow's video in Cookmas Day 9.